It is one of the most high-profile cases this area has seen in recent memory. Former East Pittsburgh police officer Michael Rosfeld is charged with criminal homicide in the shooting of Antwon Rose II. Good afternoon. I'm Stacey Smith.
And I'm Christine Sorensen. Meghan Schiller joins us live outside the courtroom to break down the attorney's opening statements and how they're framing the case for the jury. Meghan.
Christine and Stacey, the opening statements lasted for 45 minutes, and a man from the medical examiner's office took a stand first. He explained in great detail exactly where the bullets hit Antwon Rose II. People were visibly upset in the courtroom because the pictures were graphic. Many of them were crying. People were also very visibly upset in the overflow courtroom, many of them rolling their eyes and sighing. When prosecutor Dan Fitzsimmons gave his opening statement, one man leaned over to me and said, "Well, that was terrible." People from the community said they expected he would have more passion. KDKA's cameras rolled as the attorneys walked in this morning. Prosecutor Dan Fitzsimmons and defense attorney Pat Tomasi entered the building shortly before 8. The prosecutor's opening statement centered around this, quote, "Just remember, all that really matters is what Michael Rosfeld knew when he pulled the trigger," alluding to the fact he didn't know any specifics about the weapons in the car, what really happened in the drive-by, and he didn't really know who the men were inside the car. Rosfeld's defense attorney, Tomasi, painted his client as a police officer who works to keep us safe. He said former officer Rosfeld didn't wake up that morning wanting to kill anyone. Instead, he kissed his wife goodbye and went off to work. He said all Rosfeld knew when he pulled that car over is that it had been involved in a drive-by shooting where 2 people were almost murdered. He said, quote, "Rosfeld did what trained officers are supposed to do." Tomasi said the biggest issue is public safety. And Tomasi even went as far as saying the shooting happened right near a senior living facility. He said Rose II and the other man could have ran in there to hide and taken one of the old people hostage. Tomasi said all Rosfeld was trying to do was protect the community. The attorney for the Rose family, however, said the evidence will paint a different picture. And another big thing that was brought up in the opening statement were the 2 videos that are the 2 vantage points of that shooting. The prosecution said one woman who lived nearby, she filmed that from her front porch, and that a Pitt student standing more than 180 feet away also filmed it from a second vantage point. The prosecution says that this will show the jurors that Rosfeld pulled the trigger, shooting Rose II 3 times in the back, and he said that will be enough to convince the jury. We are live outside the Allegheny County Courthouse. Meghan Schiller, KDKA News.